lovelies, come let's do this tuna fish roll together. I added some oil of the tuna, onion, I stir together. I'll be adding pepper, turmeric, salt, paprika, garlic. I'll give it a good mix. Now I'll be adding 2 cans of the tuna fish. I will stir together and I will like to cook. So here is ready. I added 500 grams of flour, salt, 1 spoon sugar, baking powder, margarine, 1 egg and water. So I'll just mix. For those of you always coming to watch my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep commenting. May the good Lord bless you all. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you will be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I'm done with it. I cut some there and I will just roll it out. I will add the fish and I will just roll it out. I'll continue this process until I am done with the rolling. So this is one way to roll fish roll, and at the end I will also show you another way of how I roll my fish roll too. So I will continue until my dough is finished. So here is the last one. I will show you how I do it too. So this is the other method that I use to roll my fish roll so that it don't pop open while frying. I added some oil to my pan. I will allow it to heat up for a while and I will start frying the dough on a very medium heat. So here is it. I will just flip it over and allow it to brown. So as you can see, it is ready. Enjoy. Try this recipe. Bye.